Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I will show you how to remove the shift knob for the 2012 Hyundai Accent. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified for my incoming videos. Okay, here we go. So below the shift knob, you have this chrome part. So you have to press on the sides of this chrome part, then pull it down. So I'll just bring down the phone so I can use both hands. So press hard on the sides, then pull it down.
"12 seconds later."
Especially if you are going to remove this for the first time, okay, it will be harder.
A few moments later. The next day.
There you are. Okay, after removing the chrome part, you'll see a clip here, this one. So you can use a flat screwdriver to remove that one. On top, there's a small gap in there. You just have to pry it towards you. Just be careful of the clip. I'm only using one hand, so I'm using pliers to remove it all the way. Okay, so here's your clip. So after removing the clip, you can remove the shift knob. So here's how you will do this one. If you are planning to replace your shift knob with an aftermarket one, for putting it back, just do the reverse. Put this one back in, insert the clip, and use pliers to squeeze in the clip. You can try using your hands or fingers, but it will be easier to use this one. And put back the chrome part, just pull it up, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you for watching.